Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 29th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So all week long, I've been saying that the pound yen, it would make more sense for it to go down to one of these lower fib levels. But because of the very high time frames, the weekly time frame, I'm very confident that this move down that we're currently in is very, very likely a correction to this last leg up. So I'm going to be paying very close attention to the 50, the 61, or the 78%, whichever level it decides to go at. I don't really care. I just know that when it makes that, double bottom break a structure, that's what I'm going to be looking for to stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short at the end of a big impulsive move when we're approaching a support level, but I definitely would be trying to go short if I see like a three-way pullback, like a ABC pullback, and then a golfing move to the downside. When we bounce up against these fib levels, that's where we need to start being careful with our shorts and potentially start looking for like that double bottom, break a structure to the upside that we look for to help identify the end of a correction. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.